guys, welcome back to our channel Asis Twins. So we have a brand new slime kit, which is the Strawberry Banana Blizzard inspired slime kit. It is a 99 pesos and has a lot of inclusions. If you want to know more about the slime kit, keep on watching. Let's get started! Introducing our new release complete budget slime kit for only 99 pesos. For only 99 pesos, it has a great quality and also you can make a lot of slime. It includes 2 white glue, 120 ml slime activator, also have banana foam beads, and strawberry foam beads. It also includes some banana yellow slime color and strawberry pink slime color. It also includes some mini blizzard spoon, instruction sheets, and care sheets. First step, prepare your 2 white glue included in your slime kit and pour it in a bowl. And now for the second glue. So in every slime kit that we sell, we only have the 100 ml activator, but this for 99 pesos, we have the 120 ml activator. It's because it's special. For only 99 pesos, you will make a lot of slime with it. Put it in your slime little by little so you won't over-activate your slime and have a stretchy texture. When it's not sticking to the bowl that much anymore, go ahead and knead your slime. It will help your slime to have a smoother and great texture. And just keep kneading and kneading just like this. Now go ahead and clean your bowl. After all of that process, your slime should turn out like this. It is so fun to play with. And now that the slime is done, let's go ahead and prepare for our decorating. So separate your slime into 2 equal parts. Now get your strawberry pink slime color and don't forget to shake it and put it in one of your slime. Then mix it until the color is all distributed into the slime and has a good color. And it should turn out like this. And now for the second one, which is the banana yellow slime color, just put it gradually and don't forget to shake it again. And mix it all up just like how we did on the pink one. And after mixing, your slime should turn out like this. For the next step, go ahead and get your strawberry slime and your banana foam beads and add it in your slime. And remember, do not add all of it because we're going to put it later on the top when we will decorate it. Isn't it so pretty? Now just mix all the foam beads into your slime. After mixing a lot, your slime should turn out like this. And for the banana slime, go ahead and add your strawberry foam beads. And just do it like how we did on the strawberry one. It's also super pretty. And now just mix it all up. The size of the foam beads is perfect because it is so satisfying and also so fun to play with. And your slime should look like this. Isn't it so pretty? And now go ahead and roll your slime into this shape and put them all together. And you're going to swirl it into a container. And now, go ahead and top it off with some strawberry foam beads and banana foam beads. And your slime should look like this. For only 99 pesos, you can make great slime. It's so fun to play with and has a great crunches. Here is the ASMR. I like how the slime turned out. It's super cheap and affordable. You can make the great slime for only 99 pesos. The strawberry banana slime kit is already available on our Shopee slime shop, so go ahead and check it out. The link will be in the description down below. Thank you for all of your support. This is the shoutout for today.